it's so divine. It heals the heart, it clears the mind. Through love and peace it sets you free. Oponopono, the key to harmony. Repeat these lines with an open heart. Each word of healing plays its part. Say them softly, let them flow every day. Let your spirit grow. I'm sorry for the hurt and pain, for the scars I caused I can't explain. Please forgive the wrongs I've done. The weight I've carried is now undone. Thank you for the love and light, for guiding me through every night. I love you for the peace you bring, for every joy to you I cling. Now all the blocks and hurdles are gone, a path of light out